And we're rolling. What's up, YouTube? What's up, y'all? My name's Robbie Brad Jones, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So it's not every day that we're going to be doing graphic design, background, fonts, and all that. But today we're going to do a try not to laugh video reaction on KSI's YouTube channel. Yeah. So I have a few videos here, just one video. So we're going to try not to. I am going to try. But you did too. This guy right here. He did laugh, Papa, I'm pursuing too much, and this guy too. Basically, yeah, we're hanging out, we are pursuing. So, Charlie, without further talks, let's get to the video. Okay.
It's your boy KSI. I'm back from tour for a little bit, and honestly, I didn't even think I'd make it back home. Obviously, you got Storm, Eunice, causing a bit of a ruckus, but alas, I am here. Try not to laugh. Let us see what Mo has batched up today.
As you can see, I'm about to die. But in this instance, you must beg, sir, please. Please, sir. If I lie, I have 10 children. They love me and I love them.
Well, I'm sorry. That's so fucking hell. Literally less than 20 seconds in, and I'm already laughing.
First clip, and you're already laughing. I bet you didn't.
I'm sorry, bro. 10 kids in 2022, man. You know what? Out of all the lies you could have said, 10 kids.
If I lie, I have 10 children. They love me and I love them. If it's not falling for that, offer money. Offer money.
Okay.
Sir, please. If I cry, sir, please, I'll give you money. If you have no money, you are more likely going to die.
Fuck!
The gun has jammed. So the prayer has been answered. All what you do is discipline him African style.
The gun has jammed. The prayer has worked. Fucking hell, first clip and I'm dying. Damn it, I'm sorry, shit.
First clip.
The shitheads. It's a group, it's me and my friends.
Hello to shitheads.
No, not shitheads, shitheads.
Shitheads?
Shitheads.
I don't understand shithead, what is this? Shitheads.
No, shit. Shit.
Shades.
Shithead.
It's the same one saying.
No.
Really?
Charlie, UK, their language, it be one of the confusing languages ever.
You're winding me up.
No, I'm being serious.
No, shitheads. Shit.
Shades.
Shit. S-H-E-D.
Shades.
Shit.
Okay, shades.
As in a garden shed.
Okay.
Hello to the shitheads.
Hello to the shades.
Thank you.
Welcome. Right.
That doesn't count.
Yeah, it doesn't count.
I chuckled. That wasn't even that funny. Let's move on.
This is a vulgar question, but I will ask it.
Okay.
No, it's not that vulgar.
Okay.
But three days you took to do it.
3 sessions.
3 sessions.
Wait, hold up. Back up. Ah, tattoo. On the nyash. Hey! Sweet in the
3
middle. Sweet in the
Well, the
middle.
guy that did it is actually
Fucking bastard.
an exceptional artist.
Yes.
Like, he's not just a tattooist, he's an artist.
He's a lucky bastard. That's what
Man. Oh, yeah, they're
Alright, no laughing. Come on. I actually don't want to laugh because I tend to just laugh at everything. That was pretty funny though. No!
What? Let me go back.
What? That was pretty funny. No! Bro! Why did she do that? Why not? Alright, this time, nah, legit, this time I won't get caught.
Hey, if you're single, stop scrolling, watch this.
It's stupid. So stupid.
That's funny.
See, this guy is single, so he won't get the joke. Oh shit.
I think that's just mean. Why would you do that, man?
So, class, there is a bad word coming up in
why
this book,
yeah.
and I'm gonna have to say the word for educational purposes, okay? So please don't take any offense to it. It's not racist, okay? So I'm just gonna begin. There was this black.
Yeah.
Oh, not funny. Not funny.
Putin, get dog.
I said dog.
Putin, get dog. Hey. What? Try not to laugh.
That was close.
Try not to laugh.
That was close. Alright, we continue.
Oh, do you want to see your asses?
Fuck off. My baby's dead and my mum said what a waste of fun.
That's mean. That's mean from your mom, right?
It's not even funny.
Super mean.
It's
Not funny at all.
Pretending to choke in front of their pets to see how they react. And she goes. She's doing this sort of cough and then lay down.
Here's the dog, checking the vital signs.
He's gonna hump. He's gonna hump her, innit? He's
Okay.
like, yeah, finally.
Nudge. Check
That
she's
ass.
okay.
I finally
It's
get
okay.
it. I
And
finally
he
get to hit
goes
it.
and gets a knife.
Wait, what? Oh, shit! Yo! The dog's trying to
One
finish
more, you shut a minute.
the job.
Ah.
I was, yeah, literally said why.
Just try that thing down. I'm gonna finish the job.
If you're trying to die, let me
Make
kill
sure
you,
you're
bro.
really dead. Don't play with me.
What you gonna do if I broke into your house?
Yeah, I know that's it.
Are you gonna call the police?
What am I gonna do? Bro, I'll just.
Like, may they reach out half a yellow.
Go upstairs. I'll go upstairs, just call the police. Like, how?
That guy's getting a wheelchair. Got it.
I mean, you can also do that as well.
What are you saying? What are you saying, huh?
For God's sake.
That's what I'm talking about.
Got my boy Anthony in the cut.
Hey, where the hoes at? We getting bitches tonight, bro. We getting hoes, bro.
Let's go back to
Where the bitches are, where they got it. I'm going to grow
So many people like this. Legit, they're like, yo, we about to get some pussies. And they're like, yeah. Legit in the club. They're just standing there. Staring. Hey, yo, you gonna go up to her? What do you mean, bro? Chill. You go,
I ain't in the mood. Move on to the next, man. Let's move on to the next, man.
This was me. I was this guy.
Brennan, who has Down syndrome, has wanted to be a cop since he was a kid.
You know why I pulled you over?
Cause I was speed.
Hold up!
Oh,
Hold the fuck up!
oh, no, I don't know which to include that one. I don't know. Oh, bro. Look, I laughed at the black guy. Leave it alone. Shut up. Shut up. So try not to laugh. Of course, I'm gonna probably laugh at anything. Oh, God damn it. No, right. Let's try this again.
Brennan, who has Down syndrome, has wanted to be a cop since...
No, hold on. Why you gotta specify that he has Down syndrome? Just say his name and that's it. You don't need to specify. Yeah, anyway.
Brennan, who has Down syndrome, has wanted to be a cop since he was a kid.
You know why I pulled you over?
Cause I was speeding.
No, because you're black.
Oh, man. Come on, man. Racist.
Oh, man.
It's been like a week. I miss you guys.
Oh, shit. Okay.
Alright.
Yo, stop cooking. Yo, dumbass, there's nobody in the fucking closet. Dumbass nigga, such a stupid ass. Yo. Nigga.
Cheers, I've seen a lot of this speaker. He seems pretty wild.
That my mom is dead. Can you guys just pretend to be my mom for a minute? Okay, so guess what? I officially got hired in the job. It's the job I wanted.
Yes! The internet is undefeated.
Yes.
Oh,
never defeat the internet, man.
No. Dominance, we in the building. BCS, man, Mike drop, you about to drop a real storm. Shout out to Steve O'Key. Y'all know what time it is. Why she out here making the moves, man? Why she that say she's
Hello in China is Ni Hao.
wait. She clapped his statement. I'm dead, man.
Junior, what you saying, man? You having a good time?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you're nice little shit, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course they are.
Wait, what?
You're not into the shit.
I said that's when I was kid. You probably just don't even know what my mom was saying.
Just go easy on the gas here and come to a complete stop. Okay, so in the future, you want to try not to go through stop sign. Okay, just remain calm now, and what you're going to want to do is pull up right here next to the curb. This is why we want to stay in the lines and we want to follow rules. Remember this.
License and registration. Holy. Mr. President.
Yeah, just teaching Malia to drive.
Well, you guys ran a stop sign back there, but that's okay. You can go.
No. Malia's got to learn what it's like to drive in the real world here. This is called consequences, Malia. Now, I want you to go ahead and treat us like you would if I weren't the president. Not exactly what I had in mind.
Well, good up.
Okay. Damn, she went in. Really in.
Me and Flex looking in the index for buff net niggas just for some hot butt sex.
What the fuck? What?
When you go to a sports bar with your wife.
Man, I am going trip. That's a cute ass over there. How the fuck you don't go to watch this? Dude, concentrated on the fucking team.
Yeah, go ahead. You should go look at that.
Enjoy this one up. Get the fuck. What's all I told?
That tickled me nicely. Wow. Fair play, Mo. Fair play. This has been your boy KSI. I'll see you later in a bit. Take care. And well, actually, I'm gonna go back on tour tomorrow, so I won't see you for a little bit. But enjoy this video. See you later in a bit. Take care. Peace.
So yeah, guys, it's 15 minutes now, and probably it's a long video. So I'm going to stop this so we can. He bundled up all the laughing that he has to laugh, and now he's laughing. Guys, messed up. So yeah, Charlie, that's it for this video. This is going to be part 1. So yeah, see you guys later. Yeah, that's how we do it, man.